Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the exact files you want to keep. Pick images at least 1920 x 1080 or your device's native resolution so scaling stays sharp. Once done, make 2 copies, one original, one edited, and store them in a dedicated wallpaper/primary and a wallpaper/backup folder so you have redundancy. Next, convert to PNG or high-quality JPG and check file size. Keep under 10 MB on mobile to avoid slow loading. You'll see why You now set the image as wallpaper through Settings, Display, or Wallpaper. Choose Home, Lock, or both based on preference. Make sure to adjust crop and scale, and preview in portrait and landscape modes so important areas aren't cut off. This prevents awkward crops. If the OS supports it, use a lock or pin option to prevent automatic replacement. Also, decide whether to enable auto-rotate or keep a fixed orientation. This choice preserves composition for 16:9 or other aspect ratios. You finish by automating backups. Enable Cloud Sync or schedule exports to your cloud or PC, and test a restore so you know the process works. If the wallpaper resets, check storage permissions, battery saver or low power modes, and any device or enterprise profile policies that may override user images. Also keep a small fallback image under 1 MB for devices that refuse large files. If a problem persists, reboot, reapply the image, and then restore from backup. This usually resolves conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.